Hey everybody, we're in Raymond, Washington at the Northwest Carriage Museum. We're going to check this out.
Welcome to the Northwest Carriage Museum, you guys. We opened in 2002 with the donation of 21 vehicles. Since then we have grown to house 64, and I have all shapes and sizes in here and price ranges. Up here in the front, these are our beautiful elegant vehicles. These are beautifully restored. The back, our barn houses all of our work vehicles. Those have been lovingly conserved. And then moving past our gift shop is our interactive section. There's a few more vehicles back, a few interactive pieces back there for you, and a TV showcasing 5 of our vehicles that have been in Hollywood films. And you'll see little placards on those vehicles to tell you what film it was in and the cast and everything. Just to get you started, I'll tell you a little bit about this guy. This is our C-Spring dress landau, one of our most beautiful pieces in the museum. This would have cost about $1,500 in 1895, when the average man was making about $300, $400. So what makes this so expensive and what determines the value of any carriage is the amount of metal work. All of the metal work is going to be hand forged by blacksmiths, but also this beautiful elaborate spring system. This one includes both these elliptical springs, which we now call leaf springs, and this gorgeous C-spring. So this wooden body is only being held up by these 4 leather straps on these C-springs. This one also includes a tensioner down here that you can turn to increase the tension or decrease the tension depending on how you like your ride. Another thing to look out for throughout the museum is the difference in height between the passenger and the driver. A lot of people think that it's just so the driver could see over the horses, but it's just a status symbol. They just didn't want to be seen on the same level as their driver. So you'll see that throughout the museum, and if they're on the same level, you can probably infer that was more of a common vehicle or a family vehicle. Yeah. Well, I'll let you loose, and I'll see if you have any questions in a few minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
And your name?
Hannah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
The museum opened in 2002 with 21 horse-drawn vehicles. Throughout the years, as they acquired more vehicles and artifacts, they needed to expand the display space. In 2015, a new barn addition was opened to house the work-related vehicles.
Nice horse. This is pretty cool. C-Spring Victoria. Wow, these coaches are nicely restored here. Oh, look at this one, enclosed.
If you like content like this, could I get you to subscribe, do the like thing, and leave a comment what you like and don't like? That would really help get the exposure to this channel. Thanks.
I don't know how well it's coming out. It's pretty dark. Carriage of the Wealthy. Used in Gone with the Wind. That's pretty impressive. This one's a convertible. Fastened at the middle. Both sides fold down. And then there's these things, which these carried through as decorations on cars for years after the carriage. Look at this one, with the doors in the front and the driver up back. And handsome cab. There's a beautiful little sleigh. And there's a hearse. Wow. Okay. Kimball Town Coach. Look at the beveled glass. That's pretty cool. Even in the window, even in the door window that slides up and down. There's your footman. Okay, this here, that's a dashboard. And that name carried through into the automobiles, and then they started putting instruments in the automobiles and became synonymous with the instrument dashboard. Oh, look at this one, made out of wicker. Excellent ladies' carriage. Summer coupe broom with wicker paneling in the doors. Look at that photo. Photographs in here are incredible too. Oh, here, look at this guy. A coal box buggy. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, a lot more passengers with this. Look at this one. A spider. Vent. Oh, there's a picture. The umbrella. Here's another enclosed one. Look at the details. This is to pull the window up. Look at the coach lamp. There was one like this in A Quiet Man. Maureen O'Hara was driving one of these into town. Like this style, I should say. Here we got an original, unrestored mail buggy. Fringe top Surrey. Like the song in Oklahoma. Hello, Mr. Bear. Here's a stagecoach. Stagecoach Mary. Carriage makers. Tools. Look at this painted patina on here. Oh, there's beautiful sleigh. Look at that. Look at the styling in that. That had to have been steam bent. Studebaker. So this could be just a hauling wagon if you took the seats out. Studebaker Stanhope. Oh, here we go. Chuck wagon. $1892 Mitchell farm wagon. With the extensions. Running gear. There's the tongue, goes here. And there's a bunch of stuff up top. Look at this coach lamp. Double seats up top. Oh, triple seats up top. A luggage compartment. 4 people in here. Road coach. Oh, look at the white one up there. Lots of sleighs up there. Yep, this is worth a stop. If you're ever driving through Raymond, Washington, between like Aberdeen and Long Beach, it's worth a stop here because this is pretty cool. Look at this thing, it's got a hole in it. Original canvas. Okay, over here on this side, in past the little gift shop area is the interactive. This one here must be a new recreation. 3 Spring Democrat. And they have it set up so you can sit up there. Oh, they have this set up so it's cut away. So this is the tire that goes on the wheel. Heated to expand and then put on and cooled. These are called fellies or fellows and spokes. And I don't know if you can see it. Well, not because this thing is not taut, but here. All these wheels have a dish to them. And the dish is pointed out, so it's dishing in like this. And that gives strength and structure to the wheel. Look at this hearse. Look at this curtains, but are carved in the wood. Well, that one's cool. That one's got beveled glass windows too. Opera coach. It talks about it here. All right. So that'll pretty much do it from here at the museum, Carriage Museum in Raymond. Definitely worth a stop. Thanks for watching.